Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes for unable to load conversation error in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First of all, open a browser and the search bar search for OpenAI status and then tap onto it. Here you can see if ChatGPT is having issues or not. If the site shows error or outage, then the problem is not from your site. You just need to wait until it's fixed. After that, if everything looks normal, open up your Google Chrome, tap on the three dot. Scroll below, then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, simply tap on Privacy and Security. Just like that, inside here, tap on Delete Browsing Data and then choose Cookies and Other Site Data. Now tap on Delete Data. This will lock you out of all websites, so make sure you know your password before doing this. Also, if clearing your cookies does not fix it, simply open up ChatGPT and then simply tap on your profile icon. Tap on Logout. And after that, simply log back in again. This refreshes your session and often fixes the loading issue. That's it. Those are 3 easiest ways to fix unable to load conversation error in ChatGPT. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.